But I really believe that the reason we want a business, so we can make more money, so that we can help other people. There's always a deeper meaning if you just have to pause. And I hope that you guys get this thing. There will be obstacles. Asahan nyo na po yung garantisado yun. There will be challenges, garantisado yun. Mangyayari yun. The only question is, are you ready? Do you have an emotional strength to overcome when you face that? Doon po magkakatalo. Kaya you have to do the big why exercise doon po sa module 1 natin. Because this is where you identify why you do what you do. Why? Why do you want to start a business? Make money, that's super babaw po nun. There's a reason. And I don't know, magkakaiba po tayo. Definitely magkakaiba tayo. But I know that when you are napapagod ka na, nalilito ka na, but once you have that big why with you, bit mo yun, kahit anong makaharap mo, mau-overcome mo because there's a deeper meaning why you do this. Constantly remind yourself.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.